skies are shifting and the global balance of air power may never be the same again. China has unveiled what many experts are calling its most advanced fighter jet yet, the J-50. This next-generation stealth aircraft isn't just catching up with Western technology, it's aiming to leap ahead. With whispers of unmatched agility, AI-driven combat systems, and radar-evading design, the J-50 has shocked military analysts and turned heads in global defense circles. Is this the dawn of a new aerial era? As tensions rise in the Indo-Pacific and beyond, the J-50 could become a game-changer. Let's dive into what makes this mysterious aircraft so revolutionary and why the world is watching it closely. The J-50 is rumored to be China's sixth-generation stealth fighter, developed by Chengdu Aerospace Corporation. Although not officially confirmed by the Chinese government, multiple defense insiders and leaks suggest that the J-50 is currently undergoing secret trials. It is said to be a successor to the J-20 Mighty Dragon, incorporating the latest advancements in stealth, avionics, and propulsion. What sets the J-50 apart is its mission, not just to match U.S. 5th and 6th generation jets, but to redefine aerial dominance altogether. Sources suggest it features advanced radar, absorbent materials, extended combat range, and integrated drone swarm support, something rarely seen in operational jets. The aircraft is also believed to be developed under China's wider push for military modernization, aligning with its 2035 defense roadmap. If these reports are accurate, the J-50 could become a key player in shaping air strategy for decades to come. Stealth design and radar evasion. One of the J-50's standout features is its stealth design, which is said to be a step ahead of the J-20 and even rivaling the US F-22 and F-35. Reports indicate a refined airframe with fewer radar-reflective surfaces, a smooth blended wing-body design, and internal weapons bays to reduce radar cross-section (RCS). The jet supposedly uses newly developed radar-absorbent materials (RAM) that can reduce detectability across a wider range of frequencies. Additionally, advanced cooling systems and emission control technologies may minimize infrared and electronic signatures, making the J-50 harder to detect by heat-seeking or electronic surveillance systems. If true, these upgrades would make the J-50 an ideal candidate for deep penetration missions into heavily defended enemy airspace. Its stealth capabilities alone could reshape threat assessments and force postures across Asia and beyond. Unmatched avionics and artificial intelligence integration. The J-50 is believed to feature a cutting-edge avionics suite designed to enhance situational awareness, reduce pilot workload, and improve combat efficiency. The cockpit is rumored to offer a panoramic display, voice command interface, and even eye-tracking technology for system control. What makes the J-50 truly futuristic is its AI co-pilot system. Reports claim that the onboard AI can analyze battlefield data in real time, identify threats, and even suggest evasive maneuvers or targeting solutions. This next-level integration could allow pilots to focus on high-level decisions while the AI handles routine or high-speed tasks. China's emphasis on data fusion also plays a role. The J-50 might be able to sync information from satellites, drones, ground units, and naval assets to build a real-time 360-degree battlefield map. This gives it a massive edge in dynamic multi-domain warfare, propulsion, and maneuverability. At the heart of any fighter jet is its engine, and the J-50 doesn't disappoint. Speculation suggests it will be powered by advanced turbofan engines, potentially the WS-19 or a new iteration with thrust vectoring capabilities. This would give the aircraft supercruisability, flying at supersonic speeds without afterburners. In terms of maneuverability, experts believe the J-50 is designed for extreme agility. The use of thrust vectoring nozzles, combined with a lightweight composite airframe and fly-by-light control systems, could allow it to perform high G-turns, sudden rolls, and vertical climbs previously unachievable by Chinese aircraft. This level control is not just for air shows, it's crucial for surviving in close-range dogfights or evading advanced missile systems. Combined with stealth, the J-50's agility makes it a serious threat in any combat scenario. Weapon systems and combat versatility. The J-50 is packed with powerful weapons that make it a real game-changer in the skies. While some details are still secret, we know it can carry different types of weapons for various missions. Inside its hidden weapon bays, the jet will likely carry China's best missiles, like the long-range PL-15 for taking down enemy planes far away, and the quick, agile PL-10 10 for close fights. This mix means the J-50 can handle anything from dogfights to striking targets on the ground. What makes the J-50 even more exciting is the possibility of future tech like directed energy weapons or electromagnetic pulse (EMP) systems. These could let the jet disable enemy electronics and radar in midair, giving it a huge advantage over opponents. Such tech would let the J-50 control the battle without firing a single traditional missile, changing the way air combat is fought. Even more impressive, the J-50 might act like a flying command center, coordinating groups of drones called UCAVs during missions. Imagine one jet controlling an army of drones working together to overwhelm the enemy. This means the J-50 isn't just a fighter, it's a powerful leader in the sky, blending raw firepower with smart, futuristic control. How do you think this will change future battles, global reactions, and strategic implications? The unveiling of the J-50 has triggered strong global reactions, especially among military experts and strategic planners in the US, Japan, and Australia. It's not just another stealth jet, it represents a bold signal from China that it's ready to challenge the traditional air power hierarchy. In regions like the Indo-Pacific, where every move is closely watched and air dominance is a top priority, the J-50 has become an instant concern. Countries that once saw China's air fleet as technologically behind are now paying close attention to what this new fighter means for their own defense readiness. In response, the United States has intensified its work on the NGAD, Next Generation Air Dominance Project, aiming to maintain its edge in air superiority. Washington isn't alone. Japan is fast-tracking its FX fighter program, and South Korea is pouring resources into advanced radar and early warning systems. Australia, a key ally in the region, is also stepping up its efforts to modernize its air fleet and strengthen military ties with the US and other partners. The J-50 has effectively reignited an arms race in stealth and air combat technologies, with ripple effects across global defense budgets and planning. But the biggest impact may be geopolitical. If the J-50 becomes fully operational in the next few years, it could tilt the air power balance toward China, especially in hotspots like the South China Sea and Taiwan Strait. That changes not only military strategy, but also diplomatic approaches. It gives China more leverage, more confidence, and potentially more control in contested zones. The J-50 is more than a machine. It's a symbol of China's growing confidence on the world stage, and a reminder to the West that the skies are now truly up for grabs. The J-50 may still be wrapped in secrecy, but the little that has surfaced already paints a picture of an aircraft built for the future. With its stealth design, AI-driven systems, advanced propulsion, and potential drone integration, it stands as a symbol of China's rising military innovation. While much remains unconfirmed, one thing is clear: the J-50 isn't just about catching up, it's about setting the pace. If and when it becomes fully operational, the J-50 could redefine air dominance and force a global rethink in military aviation. In the race for sixth-generation supremacy, China's J-50 has officially entered the conversation, and it's not doing so quietly. So, what do you think? Could the J-50 really change the balance of power in the skies? Or is it still too early to tell? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this deep dive into one of the world's most talked about jets, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. There's plenty more aviation power coming your way, so stay tuned.